How to verify account in Binance. Are you guys facing issues to verify your account on Binance application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To verify your account on Binance, first of all, open Binance app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. From the home screen, go to your profile icon or simply look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see these options of verify now. Just simply tap on verify now. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this interface. In this section, choose your country of residence since requirement may vary. You will be asked to enter your personal details such as full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure they match your government issued ID. After filling in the details, upload your document ID. This could be your passport, driver license, or national ID card. Then complete the facial recognition step by following on the screen instruction with the camera. Once submitted, Binance will review your document. Verification usually takes a few minutes to a few hours, but in some cases it may take longer. When approved, you will receive a notification email confirming that your account is verified. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to verify your account in Binance. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.